Hello class 7, welcome to history lecture. Today we will continue with our 9th chapter, that is growth of town, and today we will see about the guild. Our today's topic is guild. So we'll see what are the guilds and we'll also learn about the functions or the roles of the guild. So there what we'll see is that what are guilds that we need to know first. So in growth of town we have seen already that the trade and commerce played an important role. So as trade and commerce is a very important factor for the growth of town, and thus we see that the traders or the merchants are an important part or an integral part of the towns. So these traders or the merchants were not given important position in the society during that time. During the medieval ages, they were not given important position in the society. The king, the nobles and the priests held important position, and the merchants or the traders were always looked down upon. But during this time, the medieval age, as because of the growth of town, the traders became very important, the merchants became very important. They formed an organization. So this organization of merchants or traders, or union, we can say union or organization of merchants or traders, came to be known as the guild. So guild is basically an organization of a group of people belonging to a particular profession, belonging to the same profession. When a group of people who are belonging to the same profession, they form an organization that is known as guild. So guild is basically the organization of the merchants or traders for their own profit, for their own protection. So guilds, when we learn, we have to remember that guilds during the medieval ages, there were two types of guilds. One was the merchant guild. This different types of guilds is important. So you have to remember this. One was a merchant guild. That is the organization of the merchant. Another was the crafts guild. Crafts guild was the organization of the craftsmen. So guilds were of two types, merchant guild and crafts guild. Merchant guild was first formed in England, and craft guilds was first formed in Italy. Remember this for your objective, very important. And merchant guild was first formed in England and crafts guild was first formed in Italy. So overall this concept of guild, it originated in England because first the merchant guild was formed. Later on the craft guild was formed in Italy. So this concept of guild started from England. Merchant guild first started in England, but first craft guild was formed in Italy. Now we'll see the function of the guilds, and there we will see this guild or the organization of the merchants. They played an important role in the life of the merchants. What were the functions or the roles that the guild played? We see that the guild protected the merchants, and in merchant guild we see that they protected the merchants from unfair competition. So the role or the function of the guild was to fix a price for all commodities, and the merchants were allowed to sell their product at that fixed price. Nobody could sell that product at a high price, or nobody could sell the product at a low price. So everybody is selling at the same price, and then the customers can buy from all the merchants equally. So guild used to fix the price of the item. They used to protect the merchants from unfair competition. So they used to fix a fair and just price which will be good for the consumers also who are buying the product. Also it will be good and profitable for the merchants also. So they used to fix the price of commodities. They protected the merchants from unfair competition, and they fixed just and fair price for all the commodities. Apart from these, we see that the guilds helped the merchants, merchant guild helped the merchant to gain a position of respect in the society. Because we see that previously the merchants were not given respect in the society. But these guilds helped the merchant to earn respect in the society. They formed an organization of themselves, and because of these organization, they gained some amount of respect in the society. Apart from these, we see that the guild also protected the merchants from the robbers, that is the highwaymen. When they used to take their goods from one place to another, the robbers or the highwaymen used to stop their goods and used to take money from them. So the merchant guilds used to protect the merchants from these laws. They used to protect the merchandise or the goods of the merchants from the highwaymen or from the robbers. Also, we see that in time of need, if the merchant needed any loan or any money for their personal need, this guild used to give loan or debt to the merchants for their personal need. So, guild played a very important role in the life of the merchants. They are fixing the price of commodities, they are protecting the merchants from unfair competition, and they are fixing just and fair price for all the commodities so that the merchants can gain profit. They are giving money to the merchants in time of need. They are also protecting the merchants from unfair highwaymen's behavior or from the robbers who are charging unfair prices. And also we see that they gained respect in the society because of the guilds. So these 6 are the main function of the merchant guilds, which was first formed in England. Thank you.